We are back in Mountain View. Finally, we are at the river cabin on a pretty sunny, beautiful weekend. So last time we were here was a work weekend a few weeks ago, and it was cold and rainy, and we didn't really even hardly get to enjoy much of the river life because it was so cold. But we were blessed with some really good spring weather this weekend, and we've had a long work week. This is mine and Rusty's busy time in the pool business, so we have been going sun up to sundown every day and just been running crazy. Gosh, Willie. The dogs are here with us. The boys are out there, I think, shooting 22s at stuff floating down the river, and we are happy to finally be back at the White River High Rise. And Rusty's already found his spot. We just got here and he's got his feet propped up. It's what you're supposed to do when you get to the river. There's Ryder on his one wheel, and the river is high right now. So they are releasing water from the base of the dam, and of course that's what fluctuates the river, what makes the river level change on us. And right now, Rusty, aren't they running like all floodgates or something?
I can't accurately tell you that information, but you can look it up at usgs.gov.waterflow.
And that'll help you determine if you're trying to plan a fishing trip. That'll let you know how high the water's going to be. And right now, it's not flood stage, but it's pretty darn high. It's definitely going to affect the fishing. Definitely.
Could be in a positive way. You just never know.
Yeah, this river.
Sometimes the big fish like to run because that high water turns up crawdads, bait, bugs.
Hopefully, if it's not storming tomorrow, we'll get out and show you some fishing. Rickson, what do you have? Show us what you've got there. Oh, what is that?
It's a knife.
Switch knife. Be careful with that thing. We're on river time. We have made it to the city limits of Mountain View, to the square. Traffic was backed up all the way back there at the bank. But this weekend is Folk Fest. Rusty, tell us a little bit about Folk Fest. I always put you on the spot.
It's fun.
Sit down. We are on the road. You got to buckle up, boy.
Going to be a lot of folk.
Going to be a lot of folks. So Mountain View is the folk music capital of the world. And every year they have Folk Fest weekend where all these pickers and
Here we go.
come in from all over the world, and there's concerts. Oh, it's Sillamore Specials playing. So is that them?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, we love this band. It's a group of young kids that plays bluegrass music, and they are awesome. We saw them locally.
Give them a thumbs up, right?
Yeah.
You know.
So this is the county courthouse, the Stone County Courthouse, and there's always music almost every weekend in the summer. But we'll be back in the morning. They're going to have all the vendors set up, and it's just a super cool little downtown area. But Friday and Saturday night in the summer,
Kind of in our
yeah, Friday and Saturday night they have music, but this weekend's the big one.
Go ahead.
Got the Tommy's famous ribs. Tommy keeping them. Boys, are you so happy?
Need to be a fun center.
Back at Tommy's famous. Got our ice cream. Made it down to the courthouse square. Listen to Sillamore Special play. Do you love it? Out this morning, we made it to Junk Fest, trying to find treasures that we can't live without. And we've got everything from old boat motors to chickens. Rusty and Ryder are down there trying to barter on something. But this is one of our favorite parts of Folk Fest, is getting out here and finding all these cool collectibles. Stuff we absolutely do not need, but we're back down at the square. We caught the tail end of the parade, and now we're checking out all the vendors And look at this place. There's people crawling everywhere. And of course, still music playing. I think there's going to be musicians playing all day long. We always have to share our good food spots, and we found a new one. This one is Bushel and a Peck down on the square. It's behind Urban Forge. Hand-patted burgers.
The best burger I've ever had in my life.
Best burgers ever had in his life. That's a strong statement. It's super cool in here, too. The back of Urban Forge.
Here we are. Here we are.
Rickson, are you ready to go fishing? We left town, had a great time at Junk Fest, big time downtown, had a great lunch. But this drive coming down to Sillamore is just, man, you can't beat it. It's the first time we've been down here this year where everything's green. The mountain is beautiful in the background. And we are about to hook a right at the bottom of the hill, cross the beautiful White River, go to the cabin, get the boat. And then what we're going to do, Russ?
Catch fish.
Catch some fish. Quit fighting. Are y'all feeling fishy?
You did it first.
Uh-huh. Boys. Typical boys.
See what the water level looks like.
All right, let's check the water level.
Whoa!
It is a little high, but
A little.
hey, we're still gonna go catch fish. Taking in all of our treasures. Rickson, you getting that boat hooked up? You're almost there, buddy, almost there. Back at the cabin, we're gonna bait some hooks, get the dogs, get ready to get out on this beautiful water. Enjoy this pretty day. Loaded up, and Rickson likes to ride in the back on the way to the boat ramp. Not many places you can do this,
Look at the road.
but you can on Coldwater Retreat. Got the boat backed in, and got these boys sitting up here waiting on me at the boat ramp. Dogs loaded. We're about to get out here and try it out. I think we're gonna run up in Sillamore Creek first. We're about to go over a spot that is normally a low water bridge. Show you. Where these ripples are, we're gonna hammer down, but this is how high the river is right now. Normally a little bridge that comes out right there. We've jumped it before, haven't we? We're gonna see what she's doing today. Look how high the river is, boys, up in it. Normally we're really low, like down looking up at the waterfall. Not today.
Oh wow, we've had a landslide.
Oh wow, it is a lane. So look, boys, the trail's almost gone. No, I think it's been like that, hasn't it?
No,
Is that new?
definitely not.
She's pretty today.
Keep the dogs in the boat.
Yeah, don't let the dogs out.
Stay,
Get their
stay.
paws on.
Down, push hard, 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 hard.
These boys are getting a little lesson in rowing, and they're learning.
Ryder, you're making us go forward, Bubba.
There's a lot more
That's
to
okay.
it.
Here, look.
Dad makes it look easy. These oars are not the best to work with anyway. We just bought those to get us through till we get some new wooden ones, but they're not the easiest and they're heavy. Rusty makes it look easy.
Roller snaky. You go in the side back here.
Yep, come here. Real high, 'cause I'm 6 feet tall.
Driving.
Alright.
Ryder's obsessed with motors. He's trying to build a outboard motor now for a little
Your
old John
lesson's
boat.
next.
So
Favorite.
grab that
down.
towel there. There you go.
Alright, now stand up, buddy. Okay. Just like you're riding a one wheel. Now,
Just like a one.
see how that current is pushing us? Like super hard? It'll slow us down. It's also going to make us do funky stuff when we're turning.
How do you drive?
Watch this. This makes it go this way.
You stay
CJ,
right here. What do you
stay
say?
back here and then walk up to the front. I'm gonna go in from the back and push us up on the log jam.
Okay, I like that better. We are trying to get a really cool piece of driftwood. Rusty spotted it when we were coming up through here earlier, so we're gonna come back and try to get that. So
Azzy, Willie, come here.
we're on a
Stay.
river treasure mission. This is the only good thing about the flooding, or one of the good things about flooding. There's usually river treasures. All right, let's see what we got. Easy.
I can come up some.
Come up. Whoa, got it.
Easy with it.
Epic find. Good job, boat captain. Good driving.
Welcome.
That's going to be a really cool planter.
Good video.
They don't call me
Oh,
captain for
excellent
nothing.
video. Good job, Rickson. We were coming down the river and was going by Rusty's dad's river house. This one right up here. Also on VRBO. We saw them standing outside, so we're going to turn around and come back for a little visit. Boys and the dogs are excited. Cool dance moves, Ricks. Keep them up. We got a dance party going on in the boat. Dance party in the boat. Stopped and had a little visit. Now we are heading up into Sillamore. It's not really rained a lot lately, which normally causes Sillamore to be full, but the river, since it's so high, it's backed up. So we're about to go see how far up in here we can get. You don't find scenery much prettier than that.
Oh my gosh, look how clear the water is.
Looks like we're getting shallow. This water. Wow. There's the rope swing, boys. We've made videos before about coming up here, but usually it's by foot walking in. Very rare that the creek is high enough to come in like this. So pretty. Man, it's beautiful. Water is absolutely crystal clear.
There's a trail.
Oh yeah, one of the hiking trails. Looks like there's someone's clothes there. Someone's clothes on the rock. Never know what you'll find out here in the National Forest. So cool. So back in the winter, oh look at the fish running. You can see them. Back in the winter, we came up here and we went one-wheeling. When I say we, the boys went one-wheeling. I did not one-wheel. But we hiked this whole trail all the way from way up here in the creek back down to those high bank bluffs. Now we're getting to do it by water. See the fish running. This is the definition of the natural state.
Thank you, buddy.
Using high water conditions to come up a creek, find your own private beach with high bank bluffs in the background. Man, the scenery like this and not a soul in sight. This is
Good.
Arkansas.
Don't tell anybody about it.
Exactly. Yeah. Don't let the secret get out. Man, look at that swimming hole. Crystal clear water. Beautiful.
Perfect skipping rock.
Good skip.
Your car's on the hill.
Oh, yeah, I'm slipping.
The dogs are coming swimming with you. Jackson's on a little waterboard. is cold. He's down there diving.
Look, alright, your little brother suffered you. Is that embarrassing? No, it's not.
Okay, Ryder, your turn. You better go. All of YouTube's gonna see. You better go. Oh, there he goes.
I'm tougher than him.
How's that Waterfall ride?
Oh, you already jumped in.
April 15th. How's that water?
Are you getting the goggles? Yeah. Oh, I still have sand on me. Mom, can you pass me
Crazy
some goggles?
boys. We are leaving Sylamore. Man, it's beautiful. I had to get these 2 water rats in the boat. They're about to get their life jackets on and getting all dried off.
Mom, can you hand me my shirt?
You bet.
It's pretty deep right there, boys. Can't see the bottom.
Yeah, that's kind of a hole right there. That's where they normally rope swing in the summer. We'll be back on a warmer day.
Definitely.
The main reason we're getting off the water today is the cloud cover that's coming up behind us. No one wants to be on the water during a storm.
Do aluminum boats need wax too?
Gotta get that scum line off.
Dad, do aluminum boats need wax too?
Teaching these boys early how to take care of stuff. Wipe the boat down after every exit. You're doing a great job, Rix. Sky started looking pretty black, so we made our way back to the cabin. I think Rusty and Ryder are talking to the neighbors, and Rickson's playing ball. I am relaxing. Getting ready to go, but of course, Ryder knows you have to go for a scooter ride first. It's a little colder today, but still a beautiful day in Mountain View.